Hello everyone. So today we will study about the admixtures which are generally used in construction industries to improve the quality of concrete, and here we can understand the functions and different types of admixture. So what is admixture? So they are basically artificial or natural materials added to the concrete with cement, water and aggregate to improve the quality or property of concrete during the casting, setting and service stage. We can also understand the admixture by its second definition. That means the material in the form of powder or fluid that are added to the concrete to achieve certain characteristics. So admixture are defined as addition made as the concrete mix is being prepared. The most common admixture are retarders and accelerators. There are many types of admixture. We will study in the further slides, which are used on the basis of their requirement. So there are many types of admixture in construction industry used to improve the quality and performance of our concrete mix. Now function of the admixture. So here we will study the different type of function of admixtures. It is basically used to improve the workability of fresh concrete. There are two types of concrete in construction. The first one is fresh concrete and another one is hard concrete. We have studied the fresh and hard concrete in our previous videos. So basically it is used to improve the durability of concrete, and it also used to reduce the water required. There are some types of admixture we can find in the construction work which used to reduce the water requirement, or it is basically used to accelerate setting, hardening and produce high early strength to the concrete mix, and it is also used to impart water repellent. It means it is used for waterproofing compound. So there are many admixture which have waterproofing properties, and they are used to uh, reduce the dampness in the concrete or many other concrete members. It is also used to improve the wear resistance, that means hardness of the concrete, and it is also used for the shrinkage reducing during its setting and hardening, and it is basically used for the chemical reaction. There are many types of chemical reaction we can find in the concrete mix. So there are many types of admixture which used to reduce some chemical reaction and also used to reduce bleeding. Bleeding is the main case of concrete mix failure. So we can use the such type of admixture to reduce the bleeding problem, and it is also used to reduce the evolution of the heat. Types of admixture. So to improve the properties of concrete, it can be divided into two groups. The first one is chemical and another one is mineral admixture. So in the first part of the video we will study about some chemical admixtures. So first we have to understand what is chemical admixture. Now chemical admixtures, so they are the ingredients in concrete mix other than the other ingredients like cement, water and aggregate, and they added to the mix immediately before or during the mixing of concrete. They use preliminary to reduce the cost of concrete construction and to modify the properties of hardened concrete. To ensure the quality of concrete during mixing, transporting, placing and curing, and to overcome certain emergencies during concrete operation. Here we can see different type of chemical admixture which are generally used in the construction industries. So there are many types of chemical admixtures like accelerator, water reducing admixture, plasticizer, super plasticizer, etc. So what is accelerator? So accelerating admixtures are used for quicker setting time of the concrete. It's provide higher early strength development in freshly cast concrete. The main uses of accelerating concrete admixtures are these admixtures are suitable for the concrete in winter condition, during any emergency repair work, and in case of early removal of foam work. There are some disadvantages of the admixtures, which are it has increased drying shrinkage, and it offers reducing resistance to the sulfur attack, and it is more expensive and less effective. Water reducing admixture, which is also called plasticizer. The principal role on mechanism of water reduction and set retardation of admixtures are usually composed of long chain organic molecules, and that are hydrophobic at the one end and hydrophilic at other end. They are basically used to increase the workability and also increase the slump for the given water content, and it is used to obtain a specific strength at the lower cement content. The only disadvantage of this type of admixture that it has the risk of corrosion. Superplasticizers. These are the second generation admixture and also called as superplasticizers. These are synthetic chemical products made from organic sulfonates of type RSO3, where R is complex organic group of higher molecular weight product under careful control condition. Now why superplasticizer admixture are used? So at the given water cement ratio, this admixture increase the workability, typically by raising the slump from 75 mm to 200 mm. The second use of this admixture is in the production of concrete of normal workability but with an extreme high strength. The advantage of such type of admixtures are the concrete using this admixture can be placed with little or no compaction, and it not subject to excessive bleeding or segregation. They can be used as high doses became they do not markedly change the surface tension of water, and they do not influence shrinkage, creep, modules of elasticity or resistance to the freeing to thawing. The disadvantage of the admixture, the only real disadvantage of superplasticizer is their relatively high cost. Now what is air entraining admixtures? These are generally used to improve workability, ease of placing, increase durability, better resistance to frost action, and reducing in bleeding. The common air entraining agents are natural wood, resin, neutralized vinyl resin, polyethylene oxide polymers, and sulfonated compounds. It is used to improve the workability and increase in slump. It is able to reduce the segregation tendency and control of bleeding. Retarding admixture. So the retarding admixtures are known to delay hydration of cement without affecting the long-term mechanical properties. They are used in the concrete to offset the effect of high temperatures, which decrease setting time, or to avoid complication when unavoidable delays between mixing and placing occur. The disadvantage of such type of admixture is it may promote bleeding. Okay, so we will cover the remaining topic and the remaining types of chemical admixture in the second part of this video, and we will also study about the mineral admixture which are used in the construction. So the reason for using admixture are only used to modify the properties of concrete or mortar to make them more suitable for the work at hand or for economy or for such other purpose as saving energy. Okay guys, so we will meet in the next video and continue the second part of this video. Thank you.